In 2026, America celebrates its 250th birthday. It's kind of a big deal, another milestone year. Like 1776, when we won our independence, 1945, when we helped kick Hitler's butt, and 1969, when anything seemed possible. But 1619? 400 years ago, the country didn't even exist. It was just a bunch of European settlers doing a bunch of European things in a bunch of New World colonies, and 10 million Native Americans wondering what the hell was going on. Yet 3 very important events took place that year that would have far-reaching consequences for all Americans. And they all happened right here in Jamestown, Virginia, established 1607 by the Virginia Company of London. The first important event of 1619? The arrival of the Real Housewives of Jamestown, an influx of English women sent by the Virginia Company to marry colonists and expand the community. They became, to all intents and purposes, the founding mothers of America. Though it's the founding fathers who took all the credit. Sexism has, in fact, shaped America ever since. Women weren't even allowed to vote for another 300 years. The second important event of 1619? The first meeting of the Virginia General Assembly, a lawmaking body that gave colonists a say in how Jamestown was run. The assembly was controlled by the Virginia Company, them again. And the first meeting ended in an outbreak of malaria. But this type of government caught on in the other colonies, leading to the birth of the United States of America and our current system of constitutional democracy. The third and final important event happened on August 20th, when a cargo ship, the White Lion, docked in Port Comfort carrying 20 Angolan captives. They weren't the first Africans to arrive in the Americas. As far back as 1526, slaves had successfully revolted in the Spanish colony of San Miguel de Guadalupe in South Carolina. But those on board the White Lion were the first to be officially documented and sold. The slave trade would subsequently make America very rich and very divided. To be honest, 1619 may not sound like a particularly important year in America's history, but the major events that happened then helped shape the nation for centuries to come.